Which part of the human body can repair itself fastest? Which country officially has the most time zones? Which metal can melt in your hand? Which is the only number with letters in alphabetic order? Which planet rotates on its side? Which ocean is the deepest? Which country has the world's oldest flag still in use? Which animal has fingerprints closest to humans? Which language has the most native speakers? Which element has the highest melting point? Which country has the most pyramids in the world? What is the rarest blood type in the world? Which moon is larger than planet Mercury? Which organ uses the most oxygen in the human body? Which desert is the largest in the world? Which country has the most islands in the world? Which metal is the best conductor of electricity? Which animal can survive being frozen and revived? Which planet has the fastest winds in the solar system? Which country has the shortest coastline? Which bone is the smallest in human body? Which planet has a day longer than its year? Which element is named after a planet? Which bird has the largest wingspan? Which country has no official capital city?